How are you doing, guys? My name is Axel Rodriguez with Leon Foundation Repair. And today I'm here to touch base on a very important question that we always get. The question being, which piering system is best for my home? It's a very common question, and we're gonna do our best to answer it for you today. And I get it. The question is super common. Why? Well, because you start getting quotes. You have different companies coming out, giving you different terms, and you want the best for your budget, right? You got companies coming out and telling you, well, the concrete cylinders are not as good as the hybrid piers, or steel is better, or helicals are better, and all these things can overwhelm you and make you not sure on what you need to get. But in reality, the truth is that the foundation repair process that you choose and you decide if it works or not isn't based off of the actual piering system itself. It's based on who did you hire to do the work, and did they install it properly? Can you trust this contractor to come back out year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, etc.? If you really want to protect your house, you want to ask yourselves proper questions, maybe to the rep that visits the property. Some of the questions, I'm going to read them off of our search form that we found, right? It says, how deep are you going? Very good question. What are you basing the depth on? How are you determining proper resistance? What spacing are you using between piers? And so on. These are common questions that you can ask a rep that visits your property from any company. Why are these questions important? Well, if you ask basic questions like what piering system will work on my house, they're going to tell you what they're selling. And at times, it's so much easier for them to explain that on what system you should go with, because to them, it's dollar signs. But to you, it's unanswered questions, right? So asking these questions will help you divide on who is actually knowledgeable in the work and who's there to actually sell you the work, right? And the thing here is important because you're going to be engaged or married with someone, and when you choose the proper contractor, and if they offer you a lifetime warranty, you're going to be stuck with them for a while. You want to make sure you choose the right partner, right? Why? Well, during summertime in Houston, we understand that the heat is awful. And just a disclaimer, just because you see your dirt pulling away from your house and you have piers already installed doesn't mean the piers are fading. It's actually super important for homeowners to water their grass, water their lawn, to help keep moisture in the ground, right, which compacts the soil. Now, back to the point. During times of need, when you already have foundation repair work done by the company, you want that company to be able to answer you when you call. You want them to be a call away, an email away, or a text message away whenever you have issues. Why? Because you just paid them X amount of money and you have a lifetime warranty with them. Now, why is this important? Well, it's an investment. Today's economy, everything is really expensive. And if you are about to spend $5,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, etc., you want to make sure that your money is well spent. And it's not based on what piering system you chose. It's based on the contractor that's installing it properly on your house. Now, the reason we bring this up, we've always noticed a lot of comments, people mention, well, I got done dirty by this contractor, or this person didn't do me okay, or they stopped answering. And a lot of the times, it's always based on them choosing the cheaper price. You can choose a cheaper price as long as the person can back up everything they're talking about and you can prove it with facts. How long they've been in business, the Better Business Bureau, the BBB, can help you determine that, right? Now, it's easy to lie on the BBB sometimes, so it's very important for you to do your own due diligence and ask people that probably done the work with this company. Maybe make sure their LLC or their DBA is within good standings. Make sure they're still an active business. Many things you can do. Why? Because it's not always about what system you're using, like we mentioned multiple times. It's who are you going to trust with your home. Now, this was a very quick video just to bring to light what homeowners should ask and what they should worry about when choosing a foundation repair contractor the moment they find out they have foundation issues. Now, I hope this video was able to help you guys out. It's very quick, simple. I didn't feel the need to go in depth into certain specific pier types. We can leave that for another video some other time, and we can go over the actual question, in the beginning, which was which pier type is the best for your home. You'll be surprised when I answer, But we'll leave that for next time. I appreciate anybody watching. If you stayed through the video, please make sure to subscribe. You can also go to our website, go on our blog, or check out some of our videos and view some of the projects we've done. Outside of foundation repair, we also work in home elevation projects, structural elevation, so those are pretty cool to watch. We also have them pinned on our YouTube channel. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you so much, and you have a wonderful rest of your day.